This Nike store has got the nicest view ever. What's that? Do you know what that is? No. It's honestly crazy to think that this is in a mall. It's so cool.
So it's just an average weekend here in Dubai, and we have a couple of things to pick up, so we've decided to come here to Dubai Mall. We don't often come here as this mall is huge, but there's so much to offer in this mall. Let's just hope we don't get lost.
I think we're already lost. And we're only in the parking lot.
Yep, I think we've got one too many.
Yeah, I think we gotta go back down.
Down we go. So we finally found the entrance to the mall, and we're gonna go inside.
So this mall is so big that it has over 1,200 stores, which is crazy to think. I don't even think I can walk into 1,200 stores, but it has about 502,000 square meters. It's just crazy to think of how much retail space that is.
It's huge. We've walked around this mall a couple of times, and I don't think we've ever finished walking around completely.
Once we were inside this mall and we walked literally for 4 hours, and we didn't walk down a single corridor twice. If I was 5, I'd definitely be taking a train inside the mall. But I think I'm slightly too old for that. Wow, check this view. And it's right from the Nike store.
Right from the Nike store. They've got the biggest store, I think, nicest Nike store, and the best view as well.
Look, Leanne's on an excursion.
How's my hat look?
It looks pretty cool, actually.
Does it suit?
I don't know, let's let the people decide. Thumbs up if it does.
Yeah. Something smells so good. Can you smell it?
It does. We're gonna chase it.
Yeah.
It's probably Candylicious.
We're going in there. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, and it's popcorn, my favorite. I could just stand here all day and just enjoy the smell.
I think Leanne's nose is dragging us everywhere.
I think this has to be the biggest candy store I've ever seen. A candy sushi. You want sushi?
Yeah, they're literally making sushi candy.
Gonna have to go downstairs to see all the fishes.
It's probably one of the coolest things that they have here in the Dubai Mall, which is actually an aquarium. Like inside a mall. It's crazy.
What mall has an aquarium?
Dubai Mall. Hey, there's a manta ray. Check, there's a shark.
Oh, baby shark. Baby sharks are actually cute.
Check, there's quite a few of them. Every single time you come to this mall, I'm completely shocked at how big this aquarium is. It's crazy. Check how huge this tank is. It's honestly crazy to think that this is in a mall.
Apparently it's the world's largest suspended aquarium. So Dubai is always about its biggest and the best, and this is really impressive. I think it has like over 140 different species inside this tank, and it's really cool. Maybe another time we would go inside when we've got more time. It's really cool.
I could honestly just stand here and watch the fish for the entire day. So mesmerizing. Wow, check how big that shark is.
Would you scuba dive in here?
Yes, I would.
I think I would too, but I'd be quite scared because of all the sharks that are in here. Like when you scuba diving in the open ocean, it's not likely you're going to come across any sharks or dangerous creatures, but here you've got everything in such a tiny tank.
Literally, we've been walking around now for about 2 hours, and although this is possibly like the 10th time we've been in this mall, if not more, we're walking through a section that we've never ever been through. What's that? Do you know what that is?
No, I don't. It's one of those bridges that connects either to the train station or something. I don't know.
What?
That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a bridge. Look.
I have never ever seen this before.
This is that bridge that crosses over to the other side where we're like, how does the mall continue to there?
It seems like there's a highway over there and it crosses the highway.
Cool.
Wow.
Guess you can never get bored, hey?
I think this really shows how big this mall is. We are literally in places we have never been. Living in Dubai for 3 years and we still find new places within Dubai Mall.
And the mall crossing highways. Goodness.
To another side of the mall. You know, we've never been to this side of the mall before.
I know that. I think we've said that like a million times.
I'm flabbergasted. Like I thought I was going on a journey to show people, you guys, like what it's all about, but no.
Exploring ourselves.
Yeah, now I feel like I'm on an adventure. So I guess even though we're in a new part of a mall remains a mall. This section seems to be more of a supermarket, gyms, those types of places. But hey,
Pretty cool that we found a new area.
so the sun has set and we are here now right outside the Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall, right by the fountains, and it's about to go off in 10 minutes. So this is going to be exciting.
Even though we've seen this fountain show so many times, you have to come and watch it every time you come to the Burj.
Here we are, baby. The car is this side.
Thank you. What a gentleman.
Always have to treat the ladies nice.
Oh, it's so good to finally sit down. My legs are so sore. That mall's really big to walk. Wow.